What is up, guys? It is Fishcraft here, back here with another video, and in this video we are opening the LTB extra large for February. First thing that I get is the golden ticket, which they do every single month, and then this month features grade baits, has a note, next month's Bass XL box will include 3 brand new baits just released in 2017, 2 of which aren't even available to sell in Bass Pro Shops till March, or till March 2017, which is when we're gonna get it. So. First, we got a blue sticker, pretty cool. We got a card, we got a little magazine, as you can see. Alright, so first thing that I have is a scribble crankbait made by, where is it? Fish Hound. It's an assorted hard bait, which is for $6.99. What color is this? 2-inch, 1.5 ounces. Sorry, 1 1/4. Or 1/4, that's what I meant. Okay. It's packaging. Alright. Does it have a rattle? No. Well, maybe, I can't tell. Maybe it's just the hooks. As you can see, nice little shallow scribble crankbait. We have a jerkbait made by Losing Lures. Retails for $11.99. It's called the Stickmaster. Sort of has like a bassish pattern on there. Very nice, and it makes like sounds or something. Has like a sensor on it. And it'll make like minnow sounds or something. Pretty nice. Little jerkbait, 3 hooks. Sorry, 2. We have another scribble crankbait. This one's made by Storm. Or, no, not Storm. What is this made by? Yeah, Storm. We'll randomly select one lucky tackle winner and give them $1,000. Alright, hold on. Yeah, mine doesn't say. So it doesn't say, but I got the exact same one in the MTV. It doesn't say how much it retails. It just says we'll randomly select one lucky winner and give them $1,000. There's a crankbait, and then we got some hooks from Mustad. Retails for $2.49. Is a 2-pack. Just some hooks to replace some crankbaits if you don't want the hooks that are already on there, as you can see. And then we have some Z-Man products, which I really like Z-Man products because they last a long time. It's called the TRD Tube Z. I'm guessing you're supposed to get the finesse TRD, or the jig head. It's called the mushroom jig head or something, and you just stuff it in there. It's the same jig head as that. So as you can see, it stretches a very long distance, and it's very tiny, and this retails for $5.99. As you can see. Nice little tube. Then we have a kick and jerk made by Reaction Strike. Retails for $8.99. These hooks are like rubber banded up, so pretty cool. Our last bait, which I believe we got these in the last box, I think. Made by Strike King, the Rage Lizard, which that's wrong, but it's $5.39. Okay, this is not a Rage Lizard. This is a Rage Craw. Got the same thing that I got in the other box, but it's just the coffee scent. I'll take one out for you guys if I can get it open. See if I can. Alright. Okay. So this is not a lizard, but it's a craw. Green pumpkin. Very nice. Okay, let's put this stuff all back. This stuff is piling up, so I'm gonna have to put it in my tackle box pretty soon. Let me just put all this stuff in here. Alright guys, so don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.